Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you guys need to find where the fuse for the center console cigarette lighter, also known as power outlet, is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, and why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here, guys, we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. You guys have 2 different fuse boxes in that truck. We'll need to work in just one of them, which is located, guys, right under the hood in the engine bay and right behind your car battery. If we zoom in, you're going to notice that you have a fuse box cover. I can even zoom in a little bit more. That's a fuse box cover that you will need to remove. Open that fuse box cover and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like that. That's the front of the truck. That's towards the windshield. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now you see that you have 4 different kinds of fuses. Relays, those could be really hard to find in small towns in the middle of nowhere, or they can be really overpriced. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price, quick shipping, and you can keep some spares in the glove box for a peace of mind. The center console cigarette lighter fuse is located, you can see that row of fuses, guys. The very top one, known as fuse number 92, guys. That's the one that you need to check, that 20 amp fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.